Uria arwaru a COVID-19 bururi-ini marongerereka o muthenya, Ministry ya Githomo nayo irathie na mbere kwaraniria na honge ngurani cia unyiti itemi kurora uhotekeku wa macukuru kuhingurwo mweri wa kenda ta uria President eranĩire. Minister wa Githomo George Mangoha acemanitie na maobitha kuma ngwatanĩro cia anyiti itemi ruhonge-inĩ rwa githomo gucirĩra uhotekeku wa gukinyaniria mendekithia ngũrani megie kuhingura macukuru mbere ya aneanĩte riboti kuri President uria utanyitwo kwariria bururi muthia-inĩ wa mikana ya curfew iria igathikĩtwo.
And today we have discussed the options that are according to what is happening in the country as at the moment. We have also been reliably informed this morning by the doctors that the peak is likely to come in September, and by the grace of God perhaps taper down around January.
Uhotekeku wa guthingata mawatho maria mendekithitio ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ta kuraihaniriria mundu na uria ungi niyo ndereti ikoretwo igicenjania meciria na njira nene micemanio-ini ino, kuona macukuru mamwe kumana na wingi wa arutwo irathi-ini maya kwaga gukinyaniria ikiro ici.
And the schools are a bit congested, and that whatever is going to determine whether we open or not would depend on whether social distancing can be achieved in school. So we have reached a consensus, and the position of the parents has been very firm that we don't open until we achieve stability, which means until the curve is flattened. And in my view, the parents are one of the major stakeholders.
Ona gutuika Ministry ya Githomo ikoretwo ikihariria na njira itiganite kungituika macukuru ni magucokereria mwaka uyu, mendekithia ma Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni mamwe gukorwo makirumirirwo niguo kugitira arutwo kumana na COVID-19. Ngiribotera NYOTA TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.